after the pandemic situation, today is the first class. Almost all after 2 years of time, we are starting the sessions. That means my classes. Anyway, myself is Nagoor Babu. My classes I'm starting after 2 years of time. Meanwhile, 2 months back, 3 months back, already Durga was opened for offline classes. Other faculty members are taking the sessions, and my classes today is the first class, and today I'm starting this session. Fortunately, this classroom is a new classroom, but today is the first session in this classroom. Good. Anyway, we are happy to conduct the classes. Again, we restart the classes. We have of me. It's very good. Anyway, now coming into the content. Directly, I'm asking one direct question to all of you guys. Please think about this question. Today you are coming here for attending demo class, right? Today you are coming for attending demo class. Demo class for what? For what programming language? Java programming language. For what? Java programming language. Am I right? Okay, good. Please open the doors, open the windows if possible. Yeah. Better. All right. Java programming language. You are trying to learn Java programming language. My straight question to all of you guys. My straight question. Why you want to learn Java programming language? In outside market, we have a number of programming languages. C programming language, C++ programming language, Python, especially nowadays might be. Most of the people are thinking Python, 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 Python everywhere. But unfortunately, we are at Java now. Fortunately, not unfortunately. Fortunately, we are at Java now. But Python is also available in outside market. But why? Why we are choosing Java as our programming language today now? Why you are coming for this class? What is the need to select Java programming language? Definitely this question will come. If you go for an interview as a fresher, if you are the fresher, if you go for an interview, interviewer will ask this question as the first question. Definitely. So many programming languages are available. Or before that, interviewer will ask you, why you select Java programming language? And before that, which programming language you would know? You know. Which programming language you are good? Obviously, you are saying Java programming language. Okay, what is the rating in a scale 1 to 10 about you? You may select maybe 6, 7, 8, 9, but don't select 10. Not possible. Even for James Gosling also it is not possible. Okay, fine. You may select some number 7 or 8, something else. Then immediately we'll ask to you why you are selecting Java. We have so many programming languages in outside, but still why you are selecting Java? A number of reasons are available. Of course, I will talk about all these reasons. Don't worry for that. But at least today you are coming for demo class. You should have some idea. We need to have some reason why you are coming for this demo class and why you are coming for Java programming language especially. At least that reason here we need. Any of you are having any reason, specific reason? I can give you reasons also. Might be some of you are thinking about it. Sir, I am very much crazy about Java programming language. That's why I'm learning. I'm crazy about programming, sir. Too much programming is going on in Java. That's why I'm coming for Java. And some other people, no, sir. Due to this Corona pandemic time, I passed my BTech. Automatically, I passed my BTech. Without writing exams also. But I don't know which programming language I need to select. But when I'm walking on Amirpet, somebody else has given one visiting card about your classes. No, that's why to see your face when I'm coming today. Some people are thinking like that. Okay, no problem. My face is very much beautiful. No problem. You can come. Okay, fine. Some other people listen, sir, I don't know anything about it. My brother forced to me, go to Durga and learn Java. Go to Durga. Everybody is saying that. Because of that reason, I'm coming today. Some other reasons might be. No, sir. Long time back, I completed my BTech. So now the time is go for marriage. But if I go for any shooting in the sense, in Telugu I can say, Pelli Choopulu. Opposite people are asking to me what you are doing. This is a question repeatedly. Even I said to them, I have 100 crores of money, but they are not satisfied with that. They are saying that what you are doing now. Okay. Then they said to me, first get a particular job, then come to me, I'll give my daughter to you. That's it. Then this is the reason here. So what I have to do? Okay. And there might be some, my father has asked to the opposite female people, like this much of dowry I am expecting like that. Before getting dowry, then first get a job. If you get job, then good dowry. If no job, no dowry. Because of dowry purpose, might be some people are coming. Whatever it may be. And some other people are thinking about it. Sir, I need some identity. If I want to survive in market, I need some identity. So I need one very good background. One company I required. So I want to get a job. As I completed my BTech, I want to get a job in a good company. So for that purpose, I'm coming. Some people are saying, sir, already I have a job in testing tools, but I want to switch to Java. Why? Because in Java side, good salaries are coming there. So I want to come for Java for getting good salary. Whatever it may be, sir. Your reasons may be your own, whatever it may be. But finally, the overall target is what? We need to get a job in order to get very good money. In order to get very good money. Everything is related with the money only. Am I right or not? Why you the people are silent? No? Am I right or not? You are looking for more money or less money? Still, if you are thinking less money, don't join with my class. I'm sure about it. If you want to get more money, then only come to me. I'll give some path to you also. How to get more money? Damn sure. How to get more money? Yes, exactly. So, good. Leave it. All these things. So, Java is the right programming language to provide more money for every month. That you have to confirm. Then only you can understand Java. Otherwise, you will not understand Java. Money, more Java. More Java, more money. Less Java, less money. That's very clear. Am I right or not? Right, very good. Right, anyway, now coming for the Java, and before starting our class now, just I'm asking to you clearly. I already asked for the required reason here. That's okay, fine. Now the point is what you know Java, what you have awareness on Java. Just I want to know that. What you have awareness on Java. Now tell me. How many parts are available in Java? At least now you should give answer for me. What exactly the parts are available in Java? Any idea for that? Do you have any idea? What are the various parts in Java? At least minimum information I'm asking there. Do you have any parts in Java? Yes, exactly. How many parts are available in Java? Right. Overall, if you observe this, 3 parts are available in Java. The total Java is divided into how many parts there? 3 parts. Total Java is available in how many parts? No, 3 parts. Please, whenever I'm asking questions, you have to respond for me. Overall, how many parts are available? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? No, core Java, advanced Java. Next one is what? Core Java, advanced Java, Spring Framework, right? Right, Spring Framework, or maybe some other like J2EE. Some other people are saying like what? No, J2EE. Core Java. Next one is what, sir? Advanced Java. Then what next one again? No, some people are saying J2EE. Right. Now, this is what people are having awareness in outside market in general. But if you say this kind of information, no, interviewer will not give job to you, sure. Whenever interviewer is asking how many parts are available in Java, of course, no interviewer will ask this stupid question. But even if any stupid interviewer is asking this question, but don't give this type of classification. This is wrong classification. This is purely Amirpet terminology. I'm telling clearly. Of course, I'm taking class in Amirpet, but still I'm telling the same point. This is our local terminology. This is not standard terminology. Okay? Okay, sir. Good. You are saying this is wrong terminology. Can you please tell me right terminology? You are the Java trainer now. Tell me the right terminology. Exactly. Right. If you are thinking about it, this is wrong anyway. But you have to understand the first one is what? J2SE or Java SE. The 2 was removed in the latest version. In the older versions, the number 2 is available, but now it is removed. J2SE or Java SE. What is this first one? Now tell me. J2 SE or what? Java SE. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. Immediately you may have a question. You may have a question. Sir, what is this J2 SE? What is this Java SE? What is the test actually? What is that E actually? You know already that. Tell me what is that? No, J2 SE. What is the abbreviation for that? Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. Whenever I'm speaking standard, immediately we have to get some information in our mind. General information. I'm not talking about technical information. General information. Java 2 Standard Edition. Standard. Standard in the sense basics or not? Standard in the sense platform or not? I will talk about it again later on. Okay, good. This is first one. And then after that, what second one here? After that, the second one is what? J2 EE. J2 EE. People are saying this is the third one. Previously, in the wrong terminology, you said this is the third one. No. J2 EE. What is that J2 E actually? What is that EE actually? Second E is edition. That's okay. But middle E is available. What is that E actually? This is what now? Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition. Java EE. Java E stands for Java Enterprise Edition. Sir, I'm talking very low concepts only. Not at all too much depth concepts. Don't say it's the depth of the Java. Just abbreviations I'm talking. I think everybody already aware about these abbreviations. Good. Next one is third one. What is this third one, sir? Now tell me. All of you know. What is this third one actually? Now tell me. J2 ME. What is the third one? No? J2 ME. That means Java ME. What is this? No? Java ME. Come on, guys. Now tell me. Here again, my question is what? E stands for edition. That's very clear. That's very common. But what is this M actually? What is this M actually? What is that? Micro or mobile? Mobile or micro? Java to mobile edition or Java to micro edition? Java to mobile edition or Java to micro edition? Mobile edition or micro edition? Mobile edition or micro edition? Yes, exactly. Your answer is wrong. First, whatever the answer you are saying, that is right. Exactly. Java to micro edition. Please, those who are thinking about it, it's a mobile edition, please come out from that. It's a micro edition. It is not a mobile edition. All right, sir. Finally, Java is available in how many versions? Sorry, Java is available in how many forms? How many parts? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2 SE, J2 EE. What next one? J2 ME. What are the 3 versions of come again? Java 2 Standard Edition. Next one is Java 2 Enterprise Edition. And third one is what? Java 2 Micro Edition. Okay, sir. In my college also, I understood these 3 names now. But what is the specialty with you? Good. Definitely, I will show my specialty throughout the year. No, don't worry for that. Come again. So these 3 versions are available. Okay. But what is the purpose of each and every version? What is the purpose of each and every version? I want to know that. Now tell me, J2 SE is available. What is it actually? For what purpose this J2 SE is available? I want to know that. Why this J2 SE is available for me? Now tell me, I want to know that. Yes, all of you observe carefully. I think some of you are not aware. Some of you are already aware, but I know that by seeing your faces, I can recognize it. But still, I need to give some clarity. Now try to understand it. J2 SE will cover J2 SE will cover only fundamentals. What it cover? Only fundamentals. Please remember this point. In the future, definitely I'll ask this question number of times. J2 SE will cover what? Only fundamentals of Java. Only fundamentals of Java. Am I right or not? Simple example. Sir, what is this fundamental, sir? Any simple clarity? Simple. If I want to construct a building, what I required? I need a base or not? I need a platform or not? I need a strong foundation or not? Come on. I need a strong foundation or not? That foundation is required to construct any building, very good building. Similarly, if you want to learn Java effectively, if you want to prepare applications in Java effectively, if you want to prepare more robust enterprise applications effectively, we need strong base. We need strong foundation. That foundation is provided by J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. Come. Is it possible to frame the statements without knowing ABCDs? Come on here, I'm talking with you only. Is it possible to speak English without knowing ABCDs? No. That ABCDs are covered by what? J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. What are these? I'll give clarity. You don't worry for that. Right, sir, leave it. Next one is, after that, I'm asking one question there. Once again, one more question. Now tell me, guys. All of you now tell me. Sir, are these fundamentals are for my knowledge purpose? Or is it possible to prepare any application on the basis of this standard? That means basic fundamentals. Is it possible to prepare any type of application with these fundamentals? Or is for only for our knowledge purpose? You may get this type of question. Is it for only knowledge to learn other technologies? Or is there any possibility to build any other type of application on the basis of this J2SE? Are you getting my question clearly? My question is what? Is it for only knowledge purpose? Or is it possible to prepare any other application, any type of application on the basis of this particular one? This type of question here we are getting. My answer is what? This is not only for our knowledge. This is not only to cover our fundamentals. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare one type of applications. We are able to prepare one type of applications. Which type of applications we are able to prepare? The type of applications are like what now? Standalone applications. What is this application now? Standalone applications. Come on, guys. We have to speak out. What are the applications? Which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. Come on, guys. 2 points I covered. Java is available in how many parts now? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2MB. That's fine. J2SE will cover what? Only fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. Now I'm getting my question now. What is my question now? What is the standalone application? I know we can prepare standalone applications by using J2SE, but what is the standalone application? Which type of application is acting as a standalone application? Exactly. Wait. I'll give more clarity. Now try to understand it. No? Listen carefully. One simple statement I'm telling. Listen carefully. Then after that I'll explain. If any application is prepared without using client-server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as a standalone application. Once again, if you prepare or develop, if you design or develop any application without using client-server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as standalone application. Come again. If we prepare or design or develop any application without using client-server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines or multiple JVMs, without distributing application logic over multiple machines or multiple JVMs, then that application is called as what? Standalone application. Am I right or not? My point is clear or not? Right, sir. I'll explain clearly, but let me write something here. Application without client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines or multiple JVMs then that application is called as like what? Application is called as like what? Standalone applications. Am I right or not? Is my point is clear or not? Is it visible, Joe? Last visible? The letters are clear. Okay, good. So this is exactly the meaning of like what? No, standalone application. That's okay. Good. Nice. Listen, sir. At least show some diagrammatic representation so that I can understand clearly. If you are thinking about it, let me give one simple diagram. Right, sir. All of you observe carefully. Nothing, sir, is a regular diagram only. We are not having any specific diagram. All of you observe this. This is my program. This is my computer. Basically, this is my computer. Don't ask me what is computer, sir. Any of you are having any doubt? Otherwise, I'll get one computer. I will show that. This is computer.
Mode.
Prepared or developed on a single computer or executed on a single computer, then that program is called as what? Standalone application. That I understood. Any example is available in outside? Single standalone applications. Any example is available in outside? Standalone applications. If you have to, some of you are saying calculator is the best example. In a calculator, if you say 5 plus 7 something, no, that 12 or something else, output is available on the same device or not? You are giving input on device and the output is also be coming on the same device or not? Whenever we click on 5 plus 7 and equal button, internally program is executed. 5 plus 7, the 12 is an answer is coming on the same device. That means the program is running on a single device or not? This is exactly called as like what now? A standalone application. Clear or not? Point number one. Another one, take your computer, laptop or computer, whatever it may be, take your laptop. Inside this laptop, now I'm using Paint. Now I'm using Paint. It's also an application. The Paint is also an application. Whenever I open Paint now, no request will be sent to remote mission. Nothing, no request response kind of concept here. Understand my point here clearly? So that Paint is also a small program which is running on the same system. So this is an example for what? Standalone application. Notepad is available. In the case Edit Plus, if I open, Edit Plus is also be running in the same mission. This also be like what now? This also be like a standalone application. Am I right or not? Good, nice. Now this is about like what now? A standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, what we required to prepare the standalone application, we required Java programming language we required. In Java also, which part we required? Fundamentals only required. That means only fundamentals are sufficient. Not required to get too much Java. Just only basics of Java is sufficient to prepare what? Standalone applications. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? Okay, good. Now leave this one. Okay, fine. Once again, I'll coming back to the standalone applications. Once again, I'll coming back to the J2SE part. Now confirm the concepts. No. J2SE will cover mainly what? Come on. J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. By using fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. What is standalone application? Any application without a client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines or multiple JVMs, then that application is called as what? Standalone application. Clear or not? Okay, sir. Good. Again, I will come back for these standalone applications. Few minutes. After few minutes, I will come back. No. Now coming for the second one. What is the second one, sir? Now please confirm to me, all of you know. J2EE. What is this J2EE? Now tell me. What is this J2EE? Now tell me. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Abbreviation is okay. All of you might be remember this. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What it will cover? Java 2 Standard Edition will cover fundamentals of the Java. Okay. But J2 EE, Java EE will cover what? What it will cover actually? Right. I will give that clarity now. Try to understand it. It will cover. What is this? No, server side programming. Come on, guys. What is this? No, server side programming. J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java, but J2EE will cover what? Server side programming. Sir, understood client server architecture? Okay. At server side, if you want to write the program, I required what? No, J2EE. That's okay. Now tell me. By using J2SE, by using fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare standalone applications that I understood. By using server-side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Now tell me. By using J2EE, by using server-side programming, is there any chance to prepare one type of application, a separate type of application? Yes, definitely, we are able to prepare a separate type of application by using what? By using J2EE. What type of application we are able to prepare by using J2EE now? What type of application we are able to prepare by using J2EE now? Distributed applications. What type of applications now? Distributed applications. Are other name for this as of now. Later on I will show the difference also, but now we can understand distributed application are what is this? Enterprise application. What is this now? Enterprise application. Guys, all of you okay? All of you listening my concepts clearly? Nothing I'm discussing, just names only I'm introducing. Without knowing this type of terminology, learning Java is almost a suicide case. Without knowing what is J2SE, what is J2EE, without knowing these fundamentals, if you're trying to learn too much Java, nobody will accept you and nobody will trust you on Java. I'm sure about it. That's why in the first class, even though it's boring for me and you, but still I need to repeat that. But I think it is not boring, right? Why? Because some of you are not aware about it. That's why I have to give clarity. Fine, right? Now let's come for this point. Distributed application or enterprise application. Immediately, what is our questions are now? Tell me. For what purpose J2EE? To cover server-side programming. For what purpose server-side programming? For distributed applications or enterprise applications. What's my next question? What is this distributed application or enterprise application? That we need to understand. Can you tell me what is standalone application? Tell me, what is standalone application? Any application without client server architecture. Remember, without client server architecture. Next one, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Then it is called as what? Standalone application. Now come for distributed application. Now, any application with or without client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines or multiple JVMs, then that application is called as what? Distributed application. My point is clear or not? Simple comparison. J2SE quite opposite to that is what? J2EE. Standalone application here is what? Distributed application. Come on guys, now let me write that information here. Two statements, no? Right, application, then what? Application with what? Client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions. Then that application or multiple missions are multiple JVMs. Then that application is called as what? That application is what? Distributed applications. That's okay, sir. Sir, good, sir. Okay, I understood that. Previously you said standalone applications examples. What are the examples I said there? In my computer notepad, in my computer paint, in my computer Eclipse IDE, calculator. These are the examples for what? J to SE. That's okay, good. Similarly, can you tell me some examples for your J to E? Tell me some examples for J to E. This type of question you may catch. Listen carefully. Number of examples are available. What are these number of examples? I'll talk about it. I think all of you are using WhatsApp, right? Am I right or not? Any of you are living without WhatsApp? I think, especially in this age, definitely you require WhatsApp. Am I right or not? Huh? In this, at the age of like 15 years, not 15 years, 18 years to up to 40, 45. At the age of 40, immediately you may get irritation over WhatsApp. I know that. But in this case, definitely WhatsApp is mandatory, right? Am I right or not? I think you are having some alternative tools also. Telegram is one of the tools, more secured. Huh? Okay, leave it. I think all of you are having Facebook accounts. Am I right or not? Any of you are available without Facebook account? If you are available without Facebook account, you are unfit for my classes. Please leave from my class. No doubt. Why? Because in the future, I may share my resources through Facebook also. Chances are available. Okay, I may create one channel to share my resources to Facebook through Facebook. Okay, there I will talk about what is the importance of this. What is your Facebook, sir? Now think a minute about it. First, we have to open browser. Am I right or not? Browser in your computer, in my laptop browser, we have to open. Where what you have to type www.facebook.com. Now immediately what you are getting, sir? Now tell me. Immediately what you are getting? Login page you are getting. Who is sending that login page? No. Tell me. Your mommy and daddy are sending login page. No? Who is sending that login page? Now tell me. At somebody else, might be at somewhere else, might be one server is available. In that server, one application is running. That application is sending login page. Am I right or not? Login page is not exist in our computer. Login page is not available in our computer. Login page is coming, is traveling through over the internet from server to your machine. Now your machine is a client or not? Tell me, your browser is acting as client or not? On a client, you are typing www.facebook.com. Then whenever we click on enter button, you are sending request to Facebook server. You are sending request to Facebook server. Now Facebook server is sending some response to you. What is that response? No, login page is response. Client server architecture is involved or not? Over the network data is transferred or not? Over the network request is submitted from your computer to Facebook server. Response is coming from Facebook server to your computer. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. Good, very good. After getting login page, what next one? Username, password, mobile number or password, something is available. There we are going to enter your username and password or not? Okay, of course, you entered your username and password. Then after that, after entering username and password, just you are quite now. Just you have to click on what? Sign in button or login button is available or not? Blue color button, right? Click on it. When you click on it, what will happen? What happened? When you click on it, what happened? Your account page is open or not? How your account page is open? Because of Abakadabakana. How your account page is open now? Again, when we click on login button, again request will be submitted to Facebook server. Facebook server will take your credentials. It will check who is this user. Then it will identify the eraser account. Then that account details will be submitted back to you. Here also, client server architecture is involved or not? Now, Facebook application is which type of application? Now tell me, is it standalone application or an enterprise application? Standalone application or distributed application? Now tell me, your application is going on with the client server architecture or not? So that's why it is called as like what now? Enterprise application or what? Distributed application. My point is clear or not? This is an example here. Okay, leave it. I think almost nowadays might be everybody is a foodie. Foodie. Any change my statement now? Any changes are required? All of you are foodish or not? Okay, fine. Environment is very good. After this demo class, might be at the time of 12:30 or 1 o'clock, I want to eat very good biryani. Like biryani or not? Of course, some of your vegetarians, veg biryani, I'm asking now. Non-veg in the sense, any type of biryani, dash biryani, I am not thinking about it. Nowadays, anything is possible in Hyderabad. Okay, of course. Now tell me, I want to eat biryani. Then what we are doing immediately? What you are doing? Then I'll go to restaurant. I will stand in queue. I want to take my order and I want to get food items now. You want to go to restaurant and you want to stand there, you want to get your food, na? I don't like to go to the restaurant basically. I'm getting irritation over restaurant. Why? Because we are lot of crowd, more number of people, different people are coming. I don't want to see that. So what you have to do? Online order. Now this trending is more and more nowadays in India. Unfortunately, that what are the food applications are available? Food delivery applications like what are the food delivery applications now? Swiggy, Zomato. Okay, sufficient. I think you are having more. Okay, Zomato and what next one? Swiggy. These two applications are providing service for us or not? Immediately we are able to open that in our mobile phone. There we are going to select one application. There we are giving your order automatically. That food is coming to our place or not? Tell me, yeah, what is this application action? Of course, I'm operating in mobile phone. Of course, in computers, so that's okay. But whenever we select some food item and whenever we are submitting order, place order button there, automatically a request will be submitted to that Swiggy or Zomato or whatever it may be, that server or not. The server is getting your data, server is sending the data to the respective restaurant and giving some particular information to the delivery boy. Then finally delivery boy will pick your order from hotel, from restaurant, and is coming, is getting that food items to you or not. This type of application is involving, is having client server architecture without client server architecture. Client server architecture. So this application is what? This application is what? Distributed application or enterprise application? Distributed application. That's okay, fine. Enterprise application, okay, fine. Next one. Okay, sir, good. You are giving very good training on Java. Definitely, I will complete this training part. I'm sure because of you, I'm getting job. Maybe after the course, you may give this type of words to me. Before getting job, only students are coming to me. After getting job, no student is coming to me. Actually, I don't know what is the reason for it. I'm not asking your salary, sir. Even after getting job, also, if you are coming to me, if you are keep in touch with me, definitely I may be maybe I may help you in our companies also. Okay, that's okay, different part. Listen carefully. If you want to, see, the point is very clear. If you are getting job, at the starting point of this class, I said to you, all of your target is what? For getting money only. Am I right or not? You are learning Java for what purpose? Money only. For getting job is also for what purpose? Getting job is also for what purpose? Money only. Monthly salary wise only. Am I right or not? Without salary, are you ready to work in any company? Some of you are calm. Some of you are not giving anything. Without having salary, are you ready to work with any company? No, not at all. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. How money will come to you in once you are getting job? Monthly salary. How your salary is coming to you? Through account or not? Through account or not? Okay, sir. Account. Through account only you are getting job. How you are going to check your account balance nowadays? Nowadays, how you are going to check your account balance now? Will you go to any bank and there you are standing in the queue and you are sending any request letter to the bank manager? I want to see my account balance like that? No, not. What we are going to do? All of us are having mobile phones. In that mobile phones, my mobile number is already attached with my account now. All my account details are coming through an application or not? That application, whenever we want to check our balance now, I will open my account here. For example, if it is an ICICI Bank, iMobile app is available or not? If I open that iMobile app, there if we click on might be account balance like that, automatically request will be submitted to ICICI server or not? ICICI server is sending back your account details to you or not? This is exactly like what now? Enterprise application or standalone application? Standalone application. Enterprise application, not standard. All bank applications are purely enterprise applications. See, all these are examples I'm telling there. One example I said to you, food application, food delivery application. Another example is like what now? Like Facebook, social media, right? And another application is like what now? Banking sector. Understand my point now? Okay, sir, good. I want to go for some shopping. Groceries I want to take, some groceries I want to take, or maybe some mobile phone I want to book in online. What we have to open there? Tell me, www.flipkart.com, amazon.com. Am I right or not? What are all these things now? E-commerce applications or not? All e-commerce applications are what? Enterprise applications only. See how many applications I'm talking about? How many applications I'm doing? Everywhere. Even now I'm using webinar. Go to webinar app I am using there for online classes. No, this is also like what? No, distributed application or enterprise application. Am I right or not? I'm asking one simple question to all of you. No answer for it. Up to now, we understood standalone application as well as distributed applications and examples we understood. Tell me, sir, how many examples I said in standalone side? How many examples I said less or more? Lesser. How many examples I said at enterprise application side now? More number of examples I am saying. So the comparison is very clear. Standalone applications are very, very less in outside market or not? Standalone applications are less or more? Lesser. Distributed applications, enterprise applications are more or less? More. Distributed applications are more. Am I right or not? Okay. Now tell me, which applications are having more demand in outside market? Which applications are having less demand in outside market? Standalone applications are having less demand or more demand? Less demand in our outside market. But enterprise applications are having more demand in our application in outside market. Am I right or not? Okay, good. By this now tell me, which side less opportunities are available for jobs? Which side more opportunities are available for jobs? Now tell me. At a standalone side, opportunity level is less or more? Lesser. But enterprise application level, opportunities are more or lesser? More. Okay, fine. Now tell me, demand point of view, which part is having more demand and which part is having less demand? Now tell me. Standalone is having less demand and enterprise applications are having more demand. That means J to S and J to E I am talking now. Which one is having less demand and which one is having more demand? J to SE is having. J to SE is having less demand. J to E is having more demand. Come again, once again repeat no. J to SE is having less demand. J to E is having. Wrong statement. Wrong statement. Still I'm telling it is a wrong statement. Why? Yes, I'll give clarity. If you want to learn J to E, you require J to SE or not? Without J to SE, is it possible to learn J to EE? So J to E is internally depending on J to SE or not? Once J to E is getting very good demand in the sense, automatically more demand will come for what? J to SE. Now which one is more demanded now? Obviously. Finally, what I'm telling there, J to SE is getting good demand. J to EE is also very good demand. But as J to EE is interdependent on J to SE, J to SE is getting more priority. Of course, on the base of J to SE, we are preparing standalone applications which are very less demanded when compared with enterprise applications which are designed on J to EE. But priority point of view, J to SE will get more priority, more importance, even when compared with what? No, J to EE. Why? Because I'll give one more reason for it. If you learn J to SE, you can easily learn J to EE. That's okay. But if you have knowledge on J to SE, you may go for other platforms also, not only this J to EE. If you want to prepare some Android applications, require J to SE. If you want to go for Selenium testing, require J to SE. Or if you want to go for some other like what no, Hadoop, for example, require J to SE. The J to SE is a platform. On this platform, we can build anything, any type of application we can build. Nowadays, that's why core Java, that is J to SE, is getting somewhat importance in outside market. But one of the option of learning J to SE is what? No, J to EE for preparing enterprise applications. First statements are very much clear. Just I'm not confusing you, but I'm giving clarity for you. Standalone applications are very less in market. Enterprise applications are more and more in market. But demand point of view, J to SE is getting somewhat more priority even when compared with J to EE. Why? Because J to SE is a platform for so many technologies, not only for J to EE. But J to E is also very much popular nowadays in outside. Leave it, sir. Okay, fine. Overall, 2 parts I covered, sir. Now tell me, how many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J to SE, J to EE, and J to ME. J to SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. J to EE will cover what? So J to EE will cover what? Server-side programming. Similarly, J to ME. J to ME stands for what? Java to mobile or micro? Micro version. That's okay, fine. Now, what it will cover? That is my question here. J to SE, fundamentals of the Java. J to EE, server-side programming. So, J to ME will cover what? What it will cover? J to ME actually, I'll give clarity. J2ME will cover micro programming. J2E will cover what? No, micro programming. Am I right or not? Micro programming. That's okay, fine. By using fundamentals of Java, by using J2SE, we can prepare standalone applications. By using J2EE, by using server-side programming, we can prepare distributed or enterprise applications. That's okay. Similarly, by using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? By using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile-based applications. By using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile-based applications. Sir, for standalone applications, we are given some examples. For enterprise applications, we are given some examples. Similarly, can you tell me any example for mobile-based application? Not required to talk about the statement, I think so nowadays. All of you are using mobile phones. In mobile phones, number of applications already we have seen. Am I right or not? That every application which is running on mobile hardware, every application which is running on mobile hardware, that application is called as what? Mobile-based application. Am I right or not? Mobile-based application. Just examples here, what I am telling there, even though Facebook is available, that Facebook is available in our desktop, at the same time which is available in our mobile or not. That app, Facebook app, I'm not talking about Facebook application. The server-side program is okay. But app, Facebook app, in our mobile phone screen, FS symbol is coming there. That is an app or not? Is an application or not? That app is nothing but what? No, mobile-based application. Leave it now. Now I want to open Gmail in my mobile phone. Gmail server is available, Gmail application is available, that's okay. But if you want to work with Gmail in our mobile phone, you have to install the Gmail app in our mobile phone or not? That app is what now? Mobile-based application. Am I right or not? Like I want to pay some bills in my Airtel account. I want to pay my every monthly Airtel account. I want to pay some amount there. Monthly bill I want to pay through my Airtel. Then immediately one application is available. What's that application for Airtel? Airtel app is available or not? That we have to install there. I want to know some slab of my account and everything. So Airtel application is available. So everywhere, for everything, one app is available in our mobile phone that we have to install in our mobile phone. That app is called as like what? No, mobile-based applications. Listen carefully. But one point I am telling you clearly, whenever we are having Android, iPhone, this type of technologies and outside to prepare mobile-based applications, J2ME is getting less demand. Almost all dead. Almost all dead. Nobody is using J2ME to prepare mobile-based applications. As we are having very good mobile-based technologies like and Swift and so on and so on and so on. All of you are following or not? So it is a waste of time to talk about like what now? J2ME. But actually 3 parts are available. Third one is also available, J2ME. But as of now, people are thinking Java in the sense 2 parts, J2SE, J2EE. Physically third part is available, but nobody is talking about like what now? J2ME. Simple example, I can conduct classes on J2SE and J2EE effectively, but no classes are going on for J2ME in Amirpet. Why? Why no classes are available for J2ME? No institute is having there to start J2ME training. Why? No demand. Nobody is learning what? J2ME. Why? Because we are having number of alternatives for mobile-based applications development. Yes, sir. Okay. My concept is very much clear. Final conclusion I want to say about this particular one. After that, I will talk about my plan. What I'm going to specify, then what about my plan to complete this course and everything I will talk with you. Now, finally, now give confirmation to me. Java is available in 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE will cover what? Fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what? Server-side programming. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. By using fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. By using server-side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or distributed applications. By using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile-based application. What is standalone application? Application without client-server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Okay, fine. What is distributed application or enterprise application? Application with client-server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then it is called as like what? Distributed. What is mobile-based application? If any application is running on mobile hardware. On mobile hardware. Then the application is called as what now? Mobile based applications. Yes, sir. I think some of you are sleeping, sir. Even with my, I think those who are sleeping in my class now, you are thinking my voice is very much a speech. Is my voice is speech? Like, am I singing any song here? But why people are sleeping now? Because of outside rainy season, no? Right. Good. Anyway, listen carefully, all of you know. Just a terminology I have introduced with you. Please, now the remaining part, half an hour of time, 20 minutes of time, I will talk with you. Just wait about my plan, about your career, about our next duration, what we are going to do. I will explain that. Why? Because in the first class, I need to tell something, some commitments I have to give for all of you. Otherwise, unnecessary to take this classes here. And so my point, my commitment is what? Right, sir. Now, first of all, let me understand the batches, what I have announced, what I'm trying to announce now. Try to understand it. Then after that, at the end of the class, I will share one very good news to all of you guys. Just wait for that good news. Last point of the class, I will give that news, but wait for that. Some curiosity is required. Last point, as a last statement, I'll give one very good news to all of you. Those who are attending my offline classes now, just wait for that. Okay. Anyway, sir, now try to understand it today. What is the date now? 8th July. Timing is what? Not now. I'm asking batch timing. 8:30 a.m. Right. Today demo class we have taken. Today you are coming in front of me. You have taken first leg on Durga shop today, right? Inside the classroom. Right. This is a batch timing. Right. In this particular time, what batches here I'm starting actually. Today you are coming for demo class for what batches actually. If you observe this particular one, first one is a strictly core Java is started. Think of it as a demo class for core Java. Core Java today. Now even I discussed about core Java introduction part only. Simple concepts that I started. Okay, fine. This is one batch. And just I'm writing like batch one. Where to understand it. Core Java today I started. Batch two. Batch 2 I started today is a basic Java package. Listen carefully, don't get any confusion. Even our front office people also not giving much clarity for you. That's why I'm talking about it. Batch 2 is what? Basic Java package I started today. Inside this basic Java package, what courses we are able to get actually that we can understand core Java. In our terminology, I'm telling there. Later I will change this terminology also. Then after that, what next one here now? Advanced Java we are going to start. Now just today's core Java demo class we can understand. In the next advanced Java also I will start. But under this package, what courses are available? I'll give that. Next one is like what now? Aragil. Then after this Aragil, next one is UI technologies. UI technologies in the sense basics of UI. What are these UI technologies there? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. And then what next one? JavaScript. Then after that jQuery. These are the basics of AI. Why? Because if you want to prepare applications in advanced Java, for JDBC, one database is required. So database information is required, Oracle. For server-side programming, servlets and JSPs, definitely we require some HTML, UI technologies part we require. So this is one package. This is second batch. Here what you have. That means today itself is a demo class for core Java. Core Java is alone a single batch. And under this basic Java also, core Java is available. That I started today. Next one. Batch 3, another thing is like what now? Complete Java package. Please, all of you, have patience and try to understand what I'm telling there. I'll give some importance for each and every package also. Why these many patches I'm starting today, I will give some clarity also. Complete Java package. Sir. Under this complete Java package, what courses will come actually? You know already, core Java. It's not only for telling the course names. I'll give some importance for each and every one. Core Java. Then after that, what next one can know? Advanced Java. Then after that, what next one know? Okay. Then a Hibernate. Then after that, what next one can know? Spring. Then after that, Spring with the Spring Boot. Okay. Spring Boot. And then after that, what next one can know? Microservices. Then after that, what next one can? Web services. Then after that, after completion of this Oracle, We are going to start. Then after this Oracle, then what next one here? UI technology, basics of UI. UI technology. Wherever I'm typing UI technologies, we can understand HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, and JavaScript. These concepts can. So this is complete Java package. So in complete Java package also, what we are having there actually core Java. Answer my point, can. Okay, fine. Right, sir. This is batch 3. Useful for all the people. These batches are useful. That's what I'm talking about. Next one, another batch here we started. This is very, very much famous in outside market. Even in my front office also, every day, minimum 60 to 70 inquiries are coming with this particular tag only. What this name here? That is like what now? Nowadays it is more trending in outside market. At least we need to understand that full stack Java. Why this full stack is coming into the picture? Everything I need to explain that before into itself. That's why now I'm telling to you full stack Java. Under this full stack Java, what courses are coming, sir? Do you have any awareness on these course names? No, full stack Java. First one is what? Core Java. Next one is what? Advanced Java. Okay, advanced Java. Next one is what? Hibernate. Java related things. First, let me complete this. Hibernate. Next one is what? Spring. Next one is what? Spring Boot. Then what next one here? After that, microservices. Then after this microservices, what next one here? No, web services. That's okay, nice. Then after that, what next one here? No, Oracle. Then after this Oracle, what next one here? No, basics of UI technologies. That's okay. Up to this complete Java package available. Now in full stack, what extra will come actually? Understand this. UI technologies may not be sufficient. Apart from that, we can understand Angular or what next one? You know, React JS. Listen carefully. Angular or React JS. That's okay. Fine. Then apart from that, what next one? You know, after this UI technologies and UI part is completed, then we can go for Linux. Linux operating. Why Linux is required? I will tell you. Then after that, AWS. What is this actually? Cloud. AWS stands for what? Amazon Web Services. Cloud platform is required. Next one is very, very important thing. That is like what now? DevOps tools. That what we require. Then after that, what next one can know? After that, testing tools. We require. This is full stack Java. Understand clearly. I'll give one simple picture to all of you. By that you will understand very clearly. Listen carefully. So once again, let's talk about this full stack Java overall courses here. What we are having. I think some people are seriously noting all this content now. Don't note anything. This is not Java programming language. They are not the concepts now. This I'm telling awareness program. I'm telling you. Seriously, people are writing, running notes. Not required. Please wait. Listen carefully. Core Java, sir. This is a standard normal batch. This is a core Java individual course. So this basic Java, core Java, advanced Java, and UI technologies, complete Java, mainly Java here. But for Java applications, we require Oracle and UI technologies. That's why I included that. But full stack Java here, I'm preparing now. Core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, all these things. These many technologies here I'm preparing. I said to you clearly, nowadays 90% of the companies. 90% of the companies are asking full stack Java developers only. Listen carefully. 90% of the companies are asking full stack Java developers only. Sir, I know only core Java and advanced Java. Will you give job? No. No company is preferring that. If you are full stack Java developer, then only come to me. Otherwise, don't come to me. Sir. Living now? Why? Not interested? Don't like to see my face now? 10 more minutes. Sorry is not required. Proper reason is required. Anyway, now come for this. Why I'm asking this point now? Why I'm telling this total information? Please listen. Don't leave from the class. This is more important. Why? Because people should know why full stack Java is getting more demand. Okay, fine. Okay, these many things are available. Now, let us come for this one. I'm giving one small diagram here. Now, try to observe this clearly. All of you know. For example, no problem. Later, I'll give all these things. For example, if you want to prepare any project, can you tell me the life cycle stages, sir? Do you have any awareness on these life cycle stages? Can you tell me? What are the life cycle stages for all? Now, can you tell me? First one is what? analysis phase or planning phase. Am I right or not? Tell me, sir, software life cycle, I'm asking that. I think all of you might be aware about it. If you want to prepare any project, first of all, good analysis is required or not? Good planning is required or not? Analysis phase. Then what next one can offer this analysis phase? No. Coding phase is required or not? Development phase is required or not? Okay. And then after that, what next one can offer coding? We have to test that application or not? And then what next one can know? Testing phase is required or not? Okay. Then after this testing, what next one can know? After testing my application, you want to keep that application with you? You are submitting that to the client or giving support for the client or not? So what is that? There is a separate terminology. Production is required or not? Internally, so many phases are available, but outlined information is 4 phases. What are the 4 phases for any project life cycle? Analysis phase, coding phase, testing phase, production phase. These 4 phases major, but internally a number of phases are available. Later we'll talk about them. And observe carefully. Here what I am telling there, analysis, coding, testing, then production. These many phases are available. Coding phase, that means analysis phase could be done by higher officials. More than 10 years or 15 years of experience, maybe architects or managers of the project, they will handle that phase now. And system, business analysts, they will take care about that analysis phase. As a normal, ordinary developer, we are not required to think much about it. Leave this one, not required. Now tell me, coding phase. Coding phase in the sense, writing the code, development phase. If you want to write the code, if you want to develop the code, we require some tools and technologies. Am I right or not? Some tools and technologies if you want to develop the code. Especially we can think of it in Java programming. Java development, if you think no, what we require, sir, now tell me in Java, first of all, core Java is required. Just shortcuts I'm using it. Core Java. Am I right or not? Then after that, core Java. Then what next one can after that? Advanced Java is required or not? Advanced Java. Next one is a Hibernate. Next one is a Spring framework. This is a framework actually. Spring framework we required. Next one is what now? Spring Pocho. Next one is like what now? Microservices. Microservices. Next one is like what now? Web services. Okay. These many tools and languages we required. These many things we required for coding phase. Am I right or not? Okay, fine. By using this, we are able to prepare applications. Core Java, Advanced Java, purely. Core Java is a programming language. Advanced Java is a technology. Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices are like what now? Frameworks. And web services is again technology. I will give later on what is technology, what is programming language, what is framework. I will talk about these differences in the future. But as of now, we can understand to develop a code, these many things we require. Am I right or not? And before that, this is like what now? This is like back-end development. This I can say like what? Middleware or back-end development. Leave it, middleware part. Whenever we are saying middleware and back-end, no, there should be a front-end part or not? There should be a front-end part. Front-end part. What this front-end part is required here? UI technologies we require. Next one is what? After this UI technologies, then what next one here? Angular we required. Then after this Angular, React we required or not? These many things here we required here. So coding is divided into 2 areas. One is like what now? Front-end, and second one is what? Middleware. Middleware. That's okay, fine. Now for the coding part, back-end is required or not? Back-end development is required or not? So here we can observe this clearly. Back-end part would be like what now? Some database technologies like what now? Something else like what? Oracle, or maybe like what now? MySQL and so on. These many things here we require here. There also be NoSQL and SQL technologies are available. So something categorization is available, but we don't require now. We can observe this clearly. So in coding part, these many things we require. Front-end we require UI part and Angular or React. Back-end we require Oracle, MySQL. Next one is what now? Middleware. Middleware in the sense exact application development. These many things are under like what now? Coding phase here. Am I right or not? Then after that, leave this part here. Then after that, after completion of this particular one, next one is testing is available. Testing. If you want to test any of your applications, what we require, sir? Now tell me, Selenium testing is required or not? Manual and Selenium is required or not? Manual plus Selenium. Selenium is required. Some test cases we have to run there. Up to this clear. These tools are required. Okay, fine. Next, one more thing. Observe carefully. I prepared one project. Enterprise application only I prepared. Listen carefully. When I prepare my enterprise application, How I'm going to run my enterprise application? To run normal core Java program, JVM is sufficient. But to run enterprise application, what we require? Server we required or not? Come on guys, servers we required or not? One server or more servers, that's okay. Depends on our scale of the application. Servers we require. Good. Database we required or not? Database we required. Oracle or something else. Database is required. Before all these things, network is required or not? Network is required or not? Answer my point, you know. Okay, fine. If we want to work with the server, first we have to install server software on mission. Moreover, we have to get license of that server. If you want to use that some database, Oracle database, we have to install it in our mission. Moreover, we require license from Oracle also. So all this together, I am telling, infrastructure, installations of the servers, or maybe networks, or maybe like what no databases, everything. I'm going to use one word. What is that word? No, infrastructure. In our project, 100 employees are working, 100 developers are working. In our 100 developers, this infrastructure is required or not? In our 100 developers systems, infrastructure is required or not? Whenever we are maintaining all this infrastructure now, automatically it is becoming as a costful or not? Is a more expenditure or not? So what is the alternative for all these? What is the solution for all these? That solution, if you want to reduce this infrastructure cost, I want to get all my servers, I want to get all my databases, all my everything, network configuration and everything I want to get as a rental based I want to get. I don't want to physical, I don't want to get the physical in my system. I want to get all of them rental. How we are going to get all these things in rental mode? How it is possible there? Exactly. For the sake of this, for getting all these things in a ready-made mode, without installing anything in our system, if you want to work with them, if you want to use them, there we need to go for like what? Cloud. There we have to go for what? Cloud. You know already nowadays number of cloud providers are available outside. Who are the cloud providers nowadays in outside now? Amazon, AWS. I'm telling there. Amazon. Next one is what? Google Cloud Platform. Next one is what? Apart from that, now tell me. We are using like what? Amazon, Azure. Azure is what? From Microsoft. Am I right or not? So like this, n number of cloud platforms are available. So now tell me, if you want to prepare and maintain your enterprise application, we require cloud or not? Require cloud or not? Definitely. Nowadays, every company is through cloud only they are working. Okay, so whenever we are working with the cloud, then automatically what we require here, AWS is required. Nowadays, very good popular thing is what? AWS, Amazon Web Services. No? But if you want to do something with AWS, we required Linux operating system commands we required. So what we required here now, Linux basics we required. Shell programming, up to shell programming we required. Linux basics we required. Linux and AWS, up to this part we required here. Then after that, to automate the build project, to automate the project which is already built, to automate the life cycle stage of this project, like building, next one is deploying, then after that what like maintaining server, interacting with server, next one is running test cases, and moving to the production mode. To do all these things, automation process, CI/CD pipeline is required. To do all this automation, we required a set of tools. We required what? Set of tools. That the tools are coming like with what now? DevOps tools. Later I will give very good introduction for this DevOps. Development team and operational team both are having miscommunications. To overcome this problem, DevOps tools are coming. Simple point. DevOps, development team, operational team. Both are having some communication gap. To fulfill their communication gap, we require a set of tools. The tools are nothing but what now? DevOps tools. I'll give clarity later on. But as of now, this is sufficient. So, if you want to work with the cloud, what we require here now? Linux basics we require. Next one is what? AWS cloud is required. Apart from this AWS cloud, DevOps tools are required or not? Right, sir. Now, that's why we included even this one also. Now tell me, sir, all of you observe carefully. All of you observe this carefully. If you want to complete your project life cycle totally, what courses we require? First of all, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, technologies part. Next one is what? Front-end development we required. Like what now? UI technologies, Angular or React. Next one is what? Backend, either Oracle or MySQL required, but most preferably Oracle we are going to use. Next one is for testing part, what we required? Manual and Selenium is required or not? Then apart from that, For deployment of the applications, for maintaining servers, for maintaining networks and everything, what we require, cloud we require. So we require what? AWS, Linux and DevOps tools we require or not? So because of this reason, to complete, nowadays most of the companies are asking about only like what, full stack Java developers. Why? Because full stack Java developers are having awareness on all this content. Full stack Java developers are having all this content. Because of this reason only, most of the companies nowadays they're asking like what now? Full stack Java developer. Is my point is clear to all of you know? That's why even we are also see today I'm starting this full stack Java not because of my fashion. By seeing number of inquiries on full stack only, now today I've taken decision to start this full stack Java developers course in our organization. Think about this point. Okay, fine. Apart from that, if you take full stack Java developer, what advantages we are able to get? If you take full stack Java developer course, what advantages we are able to get? I'll give much clarity on this now. All of you observe carefully. If you take full stack Java, understand this, what courses are available here now? If you observe this clearly, only if you learn these courses, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, web service and microservices, on the basis of this you may get jobs. Only on the basis of Java streams also we have some number of jobs. Otherwise, if you learn only this front-end development, UI technologies, Angular, React and Node.js, another one, if you know that, on the basis of this also some n number of jobs are available outside. And if you learn manual and Selenium alone, on the base of this also, there are some number of jobs on testing tools actually. Or else, if you learn this part separately, only this part, there also number of jobs are available. Just think of it. If you learn only Java, let's assume, if you learn only Java, let's assume here, understand my point here, 50% of the jobs are available, for example. If you learn front-end technologies, you can understand it might be 25% of the jobs are available. And if you learn manual and Selenium, 15% of the jobs are available. And if you learn this Linux and all these things, demanded one, the remaining percentage, whatever it may be, might be now, it may be 20 or 25% of the jobs are available. But if you learn full stack, all these opportunities will come to you or not? If you learn full stack, all these many areas will be covered or not? Now you are able to get like what now 100% of the jobs or not? So because of this reason only, most of the companies are expecting full stack Java developer. Only if you learn Java, less number of opportunities are available, not all opportunities. If you learn only cloud, less number of opportunities. Really, I'm telling to you, in our resume, if any interviewer is identifying Java development with cloud, Java with cloud, if you provide this kind of things in our resume, your resume will get a hard cake in outside market. I'm sure about it. Very good demand is going on in outside companies. Yes, they are going to check 1 or 2 questions on cloud and 1 or 2 questions on Java development, then definitely they will pick you. I'm sure about it. Very good demand is going on for Java developers with the cloud. That means full stack Java developer. I'm telling them clearly. So because of that reason, nowadays everybody they are thinking about like what now? Full stack Java development. So better to go for it clearly. Okay, fine. Even though we provided these many courses, but full stack Java development is having very good demand in outside market. I think so almost all the things I covered here in full stack Java development and everything will be covered. Okay, fine. Leave this part here. Then apart from that, right, sir. Now this is the clear information about it. Now one more small request. What I'm telling you, first Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to conduct the classes. Friday is one demo. Second class will be on Monday. Saturday and Sunday. Only this week only. I'm not going to be covered. Just 2 minutes of time. Wait for it. I said to you at the end, I will give one statement there. Still, we have to wait for it. As a last statement, I will give that. Okay. Now, all of you observe carefully. Monday to Saturday, classes are going on, but first Saturday off. Monday to Saturday, class are going on. Sunday class is maximum holiday. Am I right? Sundays is what? No response, guys. Required holiday or not? Holiday, right? 1 or 2 weeks only holidays. After that, if possible, as per our interest, I'll conduct classes also on Sundays. Then if you complete courses a bit earlier more, you will get jobs a bit earlier. Then I'm ready to work on Sundays, sir. I think all of you are married, right? People are smiling but not giving any response. It means that yes, right? Huh? No, you are not. Some of you are married, some of you are not married. But myself is married, sir. I'm very sure. Beautiful family, three children, beautiful wife. Okay, single wife. People are thinking about it. Huh? So myself, I'm still ready to work on Sundays now. What's the problem to you guys? Now tell me. Huh? You don't have any other work. See, there is a problem with the family man. What's the problem there? On Sundays are coming. Immediately, another JVM is active. Who is that another JVM? Home Minister. Another JVM. That is one JVM. Myself is another JVM. My JVM is direct JVM. That is remote JVM. Remote JVM asking everything. So we want to go outside. We want to go outside on Sundays. No? But this local JVM is getting some problems. What is the problem? No, economical problems. If you go outside, how much is expenditure now? If you go for shopping, for example, Central, Hyderabad Central, what will happen? 1 month salary gone. Who will take care about it? So that's why still I'm ready to work on Sundays. Because of that problem zone, I'm working on Sundays now. Not like that. Anyway, I'm ready to work on Sundays. Then what's the problem to you? Why don't you come for the classes on Sundays? Who said you Sunday is a holiday? Sunday is a holiday for employees, not for students. Sunday is a holiday for employees. They are having too much work pressure. They want to have one day relaxation. That's why Sunday is a holiday. But for students, how much burden is available with you? Do you have any pressure on you? After all, you are attending 1.5 hour class per day. Sunday maximum in the starting mode, I will give some relaxation. Once main topics are started, definitely I'll conduct classes on Sunday. Depends on your interest, of course. What you know? Go sir, no problem. We'll back. Right, fine. Right, sir. That's okay. That's one point. Sundays, Monday to Saturday class are mandatory, but Sunday class is optional. But between you and me, with the communication, we will conduct the classes. But my preference is to conduct the classes. Okay, leave it. Then after that, after completion of this, another thing is what? I'm going to work with multiple databases, Oracle and MySQL in my courses there. Oracle, MySQL, and I'm going to work with that. How much part I'm going to take, then I'll work with that. Next one is what? Multiple IDs also we are going to introduce. Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ IDEA. Next one is the NetBeans. These three IDs I'm going to work. If possible, J developers, but it's optional. But mandatory, these three IDs I'm going to use to prepare our applications. That is another thing. Next one is up to how much classes I'm going to take. My part is mainly for Java. I'll give that list of trainers also what they are going to take. No, so up to my classes, I will give that printed material clearly. Maximum classes, I'll give printed material. Don't worry for that. If possible, I'll share that soft copy also, material soft copy also, if possible, up to my classes there. But remaining trainers, I need to check with them. This is one thing. One more thing, even though full stack Java, if we join with that, myself is a mentor for it. Myself will monitor the total full stack up to the completion of full stack. Myself is a responsible person. Myself is a total mentor for it. Okay, understand it. One more. Ask one more point, guys. Observe carefully. Right, sir. That is the good news. What I want to share with you. Okay, fine. Then apart from that, what we required here? Nothing, sir. Only one simple statement I'm telling you. Until you are getting job, I'll be back off. Damn sure. Those who are coming for courses here, I'll be back off you until you are getting job. If you are not getting job, again you want to learn the classes. Now come to me and take permission and allowing. Right? For getting job is a task. For example, if you think it is a task now, 70% responsibility you should have, remaining 30% responsibility I will be there. Why? Because without preparing yourself, then how it is possible to get job for you? If you participate up to 70%, I will give 30% of the scope. Please understand my point, what I'm telling you. Good. Apart from that, anything else to talk with you regarding these courses and everything? No? Don't worry. Regarding payment issues and all these remaining things, you can talk at our office there. Our office people will give much clarity on it. Payments. I don't like to talk about money related things with the students. No, you can talk with our admin people. They will talk about payments and all these things. Okay. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have any sessions. Next class will be on Monday. I hope all of you might be understand this today's session. It's very clear. Monday directly I'm going to start our syllabus. 8:30 to 10 o'clock core Java I'm going to take. The remaining courses I will plan according to our requirement. One by one I'm going to start. If you go for this full stack Java, all courses are going to be completed. Remaining issues, if you have any doubts, no, you can clarify, get clarification from our office there. Our office people will give much clarity. Is it clear? Shall we meet on Monday? I want to see all of you on Monday, guys. Right? Will you come on Monday? I think some people are not giving in response. I think you are going to jump on Monday, right? You are not coming, right? I will check your heads also definitely. On Monday, if you come, I will give one gift here. A small gift I will give for each and then for everybody one bracelet I will give. For kidding? Thank you for attending this demo class, guys. Thank you, thanks a lot. Yes. No. Here my participation would be Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservice, web services majorly. Remaining courses also I'll be back. But some other times will take majorly. But if you have any concern, then you can talk with me. In the back, I will be there. I will be mentor. For all courses, I know. Everything I know. But other trainers are more than me in other areas. In AWS maybe, or in testing tools, maybe some other trainers will come. They will talk. But I'll be back up. If you have any problems, you can come to me. I will talk about it. Don't have any problem. Right. Thank you. Sure. One more thing. We are going to conduct drives also. We are inviting number. It's not like any job guarantee program, but job-oriented program. We will invite number of. As of now, I have nearly 50 companies in my hand. I will invite all these companies, and they will come here. They will conduct that. Recently, also one company visited here. Like that, number of companies will come here, and they will take interviews. 90% of the people are going to be selected in our drives maximum. Not required to check even in outside market also. Why? Because previously, before Corona, also almost 55 to 60 number of companies are available with me. Now, present also the same thing is going on. I'll invite number of companies. They will come here. They will conduct the drives. You don't worry for that. Okay. Exactly. Definitely. If you learn courses here, you are going to give minimum 4 to 5 years of experience in your resume. With the 5 years of experience, you should be prepared. You are going to be prepared perfectly, and you are going to attend the interviews. You will not get any problem. Definitely, everybody. That Durga Soft, all trainers are having 10 to 15 years of experience. So definitely, you will get more benefit. Our theme is like what now? More depth and more subjects, more concepts. Conceptually, we should be strong. Then we can prepare in type of problem. Yeah. If it is possible, you can come for the class. No? In the case if you are missing, Core Java is fixed. No, morning 8:30 to 10 is fixed. Advanced Java, some other courses might be at 7 to 8:30. Also, class are going to be happen. And one more thing, I will give permission up to 1 year of time. In our possible times, you can attend. We are going to start multiple batches. All other my team members and myself, I am going to start multiple. Every week, one batch is going to be started. So, in our possible time, we can cover all the courses up to 1 year of time. It's more than sufficient. Okay, we don't get any problem. In your comfortable, we can attend. Thank you. Same time, 8:30. 8:30 you can come there. Accordingly, I will plan for other courses also. are coming, even if you go to your college there, happily we can go there. But before going there, you can take permission. In the middle of the course, I'm breaking, then I want to come back maybe after a few months of time. After January, I want to take permission. When you come back here, your course are going to be available. That is one option. Second option is, anyway, we are providing recordings to you. Regularly, we can follow that. Okay, how long we are going to be available at your college is there? Try to follow that recording. Once your college is complete, whenever you are coming back there, now you are come here and we can continue with these classes there. You will not get any problem. But proper intimation is required. Then whenever we are leaving from Hyderabad, just come here and put a letter. No problem. Don't have any problem. I'll be there. I'll give that type of option to you. You can go there. Happily we can write exam. Meanwhile, we can check recordings there, videos there. After completion of your exams, again come back here. Your course are remaining available. Then you can attend. Yeah, that's what I'm telling there. Most of the companies are expecting full stack Java developers, but one or two companies are might be asking about core and advanced Java developers. If you know core and advanced, it's okay. Then I can take, but less number of companies. But more number of companies are expecting full stack Java developers. No, yeah, no, yeah. It's the first day, very first day. No problem. Don't worry for that. Don't worry for that. One day by day, automatically it's going to be reduced. No, for every statement, I will give repetition 4 to 5 times. I will reduce. Don't worry. I will reduce it. Don't worry. Come on Monday, you'll understand. You'll feel better. Then compared with today, you feel better. Because your sync and my sync is not there, right? It will be automated. Whenever you are coming on Monday, definitely you'll understand. Don't worry for that. Yeah, exactly. Durga is branded actually. Definitely. Durga certificate you will get. Course complete. Definitely. And every, no. It's not for academic style, no. For every course, what you are learning, there I will provide some practice projects. That is not for keeping experience in your resume. That is not for other one. This is for. Yeah, anyway, then I will give that letter to you. You are attending classes here, you are doing this kind of courses. I'll give that letter to you. But real-time project or separate courses are going to be available. So maybe the separate courses are maybe somewhere else. But the point is what? Whatever the courses, for example, advanced you are learning. On the base advanced, I'll give one small project, mini project. That is for our hands-on purpose. That is for the sake of our practice purpose. I'll give one project. By that you are able to get it. Don't worry about that. Okay. You can ask after the class. You can come to class. After the class, not inside the class. After, why? Because so many members are sitting there. They are going to look at our faces only. Then after the class, if you come to me, I'll clarify your doubts. Don't worry. Guys, those who are in online, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Don't worry. I'll clarify. Yeah. Guys, and those who are in online, we can send a mail to durgasoft online training@gmail.com regarding this fee structure and all these things. Just our people will talk with you. We can utilize it. Our people will talk with you regarding that. What I'm telling there, and we can specify that. You can send mail to durgasoft online training@gmail.com for online classes. For offline classes, you can go for it. We can talk directly 8852 97 or 96 or 63 or 64. These numbers you can use for offline classes inquiry. For online class inquiry, we can use that. We can use this mail so that our people will help you. They'll give more clarity. Okay, guys. And project in the sense, it's not for showing experience, guys. I will give that project for a hands-on purpose. That means whatever the courses you are learning, on that you are going to prepare some projects in your own way. Don't worry for that. I'll give you that kind of guidance I will provide to you. Core Java course different from full stack? No. Core Java is a part of the full stack. Core Java is a part of the full stack, guys. Don't worry for that. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. And come on Monday, then I'll give more clarity. You are able to get more clarity on these sessions. Once again, I'll repeat what you are expecting there on Monday. You'll get more and more on Monday, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, content of the core if you want to get, just you can send mail, then our people will send your total content, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, nice, nice. Guys, and try to attend on Monday class. You will get more clarity and even on my voice also. Today is just first class in our classroom there. That's why a little bit small issues are going on. Don't worry for that. Okay. Full stack Java, 7 to 8 months of time it will take, sir. Full stack Java, 7 to 8 months of time it will take. Yeah. Guys, one more thing regarding these packages are not available in online classes there. These packages are available in offline classes only. Don't worry for that. Then we can attend for this core Java now. Continuously, I'm going to start other batches also there. We can attend for it. But as a package, it's not available. Then we are able to get individual courses in online. But in offline, we are providing that package also. Okay. For core Java, 2 to 3 months of time it will take, sir. For core Java, 2 to 3 months of time. Deepak Rai, 2 to 3 months of time it will take. Okay. Thank you. So guys, anything else? Shall we meet on Monday? And if you have any queries there, just you can send a mail to this durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. Then I'll reply for your queries. You can send a mail to this one. Okay. Daily class recordings will be provided, guys. Don't worry. Every day within 1 hour you will get recording video. You will get video. Within 1 hour of after completion of the course, you will get video. 24/7 we can watch it. Up to 1 year of time you will get access. Java. See, for AWS, majorly we are not going to use either of these things. For Java development in general, the cloud will be separated. There we are not going to use specific programming language. Yeah. Then packages we will be plans are not immediately. In the future, we are going to plan for packages in online class also. But as of now, individual courses are going to be available. You can attend for it. Mayank Mishra. Okay. AWS is a cloud. It's not related with any particular programming language. But Linux is required. Linux is a language we require. Linux is a platform we require. Guys, anything else? Thank you, Srisha. No, other courses in the sense what I am telling there, in our comfortable time we can attend morning to evening. And moreover, these packages are not available for online people. Just individual courses are going to be available. Morning to evening, all courses are going to be available. All courses, individual courses are going to be start every day, morning to evening. Then you can attend at your comfortable time. Yeah, at your convenient time we can attend there. Morning to evening, online might be morning 6 o'clock IST. 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock onwards up to 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock might be class are going on. In your comfortable time, we can attend for it. Yeah, full stack or whatever it may be. Okay. Right, guys. Anything else? Yeah, don't worry, Pratik, don't worry. Then a little bit problem is available to my mic also today. Then maximum Monday onwards, you will not get any this problem. Don't worry. Monday onwards, it will be sorted out. Dilshad, and try to send mail to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com and they will send payment details and all. Dilshad, send request mail to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. Civil respect. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. And we'll meet on Monday. Right. Monday, same time, we'll conduct the classes. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Sure.